Right, we're going to look at how to read keys with standard draw. This is a simple program that does a simple animation. So we set the canvas size. I set the x coordinate to these strange values just so that I can draw a ball at x position 0 with radius 2, and it's just off screen. And if x goes a little larger, it'll appear on screen. But as it happens, x starts right in the middle, and so does y. It's an animation of a ball moving, so it has a horizontal speed of 001. And here is the animation loop. While true, so it repeats forever, clears the screen, draws the ball, adjusts the position, and all this calculation is just so that it wraps around when it gets to an edge, and it shows what it's drawn and delays for 10 milliseconds. So we did read keys in class, and we used this code. I'm going to put it right here. But there is a small issue with this code. It made sense when we used it. It waited until a key was typed, and then it read the key and reacted to it. But if we do that here, it will draw one frame of animation and then wait for a key and then read the key and carry on with the animation. And we don't want the animation to stop. We want it to carry on while we read a key. So we are going to do something a little different. What I'm going to do here is replace this while with an if. So every frame we check if a key has been typed, then we read it and we react to it. And the reaction will be really simple. If the user pressed L, I want to speed up the movement of the ball. So I'm going to add 0.001 to dx. And if the key is H, I'm going to slow it down. And then if two more key presses, if the key was K, let's start with J, then we move the ball down with like that, and if it's K, we move the ball up. Plus Y. Right, let's have a look at what this does. Oh no, I cannot believe I made this stupid mistake. So these ifs are obviously supposed to be 4 else ifs or 3 else ifs. Without the else, they're just like 4 ifs written below each other. I was lucky in this case because the conditions are mutually exclusive, so only one can be true. But let's just pretend I did write else if instead of this stupid mistake. So I'm going to run it, and you'll see that the animation in its natural form. And now I'm going to press L a couple of times, and you'll see that the ball speeds up. And if I press H a number of times, it slows down until it actually goes backwards. I can speed it up again, and the speed becomes positive. And J and K moves it up and down. And I'm going to press K and hold it. And as you'll see, it only read that one key pressed because the key was typed. It read it, but no next key was actually being pressed. So next time we'll look at a different way of reading keys with standard draw and how to fix this issue of holding a key.